guys, Amy from mycouponingbuddy.com here. This is for the weekly sale at Publix from 8:21 to 8:27 or 8:22 to 8:28. Snack Factory Pretzel Crisp are on sale BOGO at $3.69. We have a $1 off 2 printable coupon, which I will put the link to above or below this video. Buy 2 of the 7.25 or 7.2 ounce or greater. Make sure they're 7.2 ounce or greater because the coupon says they do not work, is not valid on the, it says 7.2 ounce or larger. It looks like all of them are, but the BOGO, the ad says 5 to 7.2 ounce. So I just wanted to make sure. I don't see any 5 ounce. Okay, buy 2, use one of the $1 off 2 printable coupon. I'll put the link to it above or below this video and pay $1.35 a bag. Happy couponing.